Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with essentials. Make sure your TV has the YouTube app and both the TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open YouTube on the TV, go to Settings and select Link with TV Code. This generates a code. On your phone or computer, sign into the same Google account, then open YouTube. com/activate or the YouTube app and get ready to enter the code. This first action connects the devices securely and avoids account mix-ups. Once you have the code on screen, go to YouTube. com/activate on your phone or in a browser, or use the YouTube app where it prompts for code. Type the code exactly as shown, make sure you match letters and numbers. Then choose the Google account you want a link. This determines subscriptions, recommendations, and permission to cast. After you confirm, the website will tell you the link succeeded. If linking takes a moment, wait. The devices verify tokens for security before. To finish, watch the TV for a linked confirmation, and then play any video to verify remote control from your phone or account access on the TV. If the code expired before you entered it, simply regenerate a new code from the TV and re-enter it right away. If linking still fails, make sure both devices are on the same network, restart the YouTube app, or sign out and sign back into your Google account. This resolves most token or network glitches. Try these steps in order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.